Okay, so two trades today. A loser and a winner. Winner made up for the loser, thank goodness. The loser trade wasn't a bad trade. It just didn't work out. It was a little bit, how opening is volatile. And you trade it open, you take the chance. So anyway, we were extended away from midnight. There was a big new week opening gap down there, and we were extended away from Friday's close. So we've been moving up, and basically my thoughts were, if I could get a sweep at open, I would look for a move back to midnight, which it likes to do. So we got the sweep, and I should have entered here on the close, but instead I waited. I got to stop waiting and entered here. And my stop would have normally been, it would have been up here somewhere, 3.5 points. But I got nervous when I saw it coming back like this big candle. And I thought, well, we're going to put in a balanced price range and we could just go higher, because NQ was kind of just chopping around there. It didn't really want to go anywhere either. So I moved my stop, got stopped, and that's fine. But I was confident in the move because all the back testing that I've done. I'm like, man, this thing, it works a lot of the time. So we had a divergence here with NQ with these highs right here. On NQ, their highs took out this high. So when I saw that, I thought, well, I'll just re-enter and take the chance. So I re-entered. You can see where I re-entered here. It's hard to see. I need to change the colors of it. But anyway, I re-entered here and exited here. So what is that? I re-entered at 80.50, 60.80.50, and exited at 60.75.50. So it's 2 contracts. This is an eval. It's not real money. So I made my money back from my loss and made, maybe $300 on top of that for the eval. So anyway, that was just my thoughts. And you can see where my second entry is still a sweep of a intermediate. Oh, I put intermediate low, but it's not intermediate high. Sorry about that. And the intermediate high wasn't on ES. Right, that's not an intermediate high, is it? It's not inside a fair value gap. No, but on NQ, it is. It is inside a fair value gap on NQ. So if it's on one and not on the other, I just treat it like it is. So the trade worked. Take it for what you will. It swept above the 21 EMA. That's what we talk about. Closed down back below the 21 EMA. So that's where we look to have our entry. Let's look at the hourly real quick. Let's see, hourly. So yeah, it wasn't really a 3 candle model, which I really wasn't looking for one. The 3 candle would have been this one, and this one. So it doesn't always work out with a 3 candle model on that 930 sweep entry. So I wasn't really looking for it. I had been back testing that and saw that it worked a lot of the time, especially if we've been going up all morning. I mean, look at this move, just giant upside, right? So anytime you're above midnight, it's possible that it can come back towards midnight. So not exactly a 3 candle model, but really looking for this sweep, right? Really looking for that sweep and really looking for it to run back to midnight. It didn't make it to midnight. This orange line's midnight. Purple's 21 EMA. This is VWAP. So you can see it made it right to VWAP. and turned around and went straight back up. So I don't see any trades on this side we could have gotten in necessarily. Yeah, maybe here. Right? What is this? This is close to 1030. We get a sweep of these lows. You get a close above. So your entry would have been there, 86.50. Your drawdowns, 84.75, and be targeting this high right here, probably. So yeah, that would have worked out too. It would have worked out. There's another one, right? Pretty much we're around that 50-minute time. We want 30 and 50, so we got to be, pretty close to that time. Looking for a sweep below. If we're looking to go long, you're looking for a sweep below that 21. A close back above. Enter here. This is where I enter. And then, I'm like I said, I'm keeping tight stops, trailing stops, just to stay in the green. I don't want it coming back on me. It's been so choppy. Every time President Trump makes a tweet, it jumps all around on you, and who knows when he's going to do it. So, as per usual, this is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. I'm just trying to hold myself accountable and, talk about how I'm trading this model, this setup. And if it works out for you, if you can take something and add to your model, or if it helps you create a model, that's great. Any questions or comments, just post them, and I will try to answer them as best that I can. And, thanks for listening.